cupboard door that I'm making, and it got a bit of damage on the end there as I was cutting. So what I'm thinking of doing is just filling it in there, and then I can sand it smooth and paint it. It's a bit of a mission, but this is not new stuff. We're recycling stuff.
Yes, and what was I going to say? Not everything's perfect in a vein mold. Okay, so it's Sunday. This will go on next week. We seem to be doing that now. This is Graham. We found material and we're fixing it up to go nicely in there.
I need to cut this one now. That line.
Hard job, Graham says. Not easy to do this. Okay, so Graham, has this bit of effort done something to you? What's it done?
Yeah, it's done a lot of effort, yeah. My legs can't handle bending like this on my haunches.
Yeah.
And I can't take the bed out because it's a Murphy bed, so I've got to stand on top of this thing. So it's like really crunched up here. It doesn't matter how straight this is because you won't see it.
Yeah. Oh, shame. Can't I hold it up for you or do something?
I'm nearly done.
Okay, go. Good.
I'm done.
Okay, what's happening? So, Graham, what happened now? We've thought of an idea that will help you. What is it?
Oh, my Cindy babes. Just put a chair up here now. I must sit on it.
Look.
On top of the mattress.
Yes.
And it feels a bit better.
Yeah, so now he's got support. He doesn't have to bend. He can now glue it.
We'll see.
Yeah, look, he's in line with it. Perfect, though.
Oh, that's better.
Okay, so that's,
I think that'll look beautiful again.
Yes, and then at the top, here.
Yeah,
I'm going to put
a piece of cord around up here.
Okay.
So it'll close it all off.
Yeah, so when that's perfect. Stunning.
Okay, let's take this out again.
Okay. He's doing it again. Tell him how rude he is on the comments.
Rude bugger.
Yes.
Bugger, I did it again.
Always doing it. The glue goes on now.
Goes on
I remember.
on the vapor barrier.
Oh, do you remember the smell from when we first started?
Yeah, but it
was beautiful. I loved it.
Bad smell.
No, it reminded me of when we did all the first things.
Yeah, but I'm glad that it dissipates. You don't smell it after a while. It just goes.
Yeah. Okay,
so
babes.
That's the main idea.
Can I bring you anything?
Muffins.
I actually thought of making some.
Oh,
It's a bit cold today.
Like
I'll try. I'm cold in the kitchen. I might make.
You're cold in the kitchen. You want to be in the van.
Yeah, in the sun, yeah.
Actually, this morning, when I opened the van, it was 5 degrees outside and it was 14 inside.
You see, you've made
and
this.
And that was at 5 o'clock in the morning. There wasn't even sun.
Wow.
And there was nobody in here.
It just shows you it's warm in here.
Yeah.
There's a very cold nip in the air. My little blueberry bush that my daughter gave me has little buds on it. And it's freezing cold, so they must grow in freezing weather. You said you want muffins, but you know what I'm thinking of? Remember those those boxes you used to get at the movies with
Oh, those
almonds
nutties.
and nutties, and they're all covered in chocolate. I could eat a whole box by myself. And you know what? I don't
You'd
see
have to
them
get
around.
past me first because I'll finish the box.
Do you ever see them around? You
I
don't?
haven't seen them.
No, maybe at the movie houses they're still there.
Oh, yeah.
But we haven't
When
been
have
to a
we
movie.
been to movies in
Yes.
lifetime.
Yeah.
Painting again.
Never ends. But guess what? This cupboard is one of the last kind of things. It's just the door, the floor. What else?
Door on the floor.
Is that it?
Basically done.
Yeah, look how smart that's looking. He's going to have beautiful doors on. Oh, wow. Can't wait. Graham in his sitting position on the bed.
My Cindy idea.
But at least it helps you. Your legs are saved.
Much better.
Yeah, so there you are.
Much better.
Okay. Putting a trim on the edge of the cupboard again. So I've made some muffins for Graham, you know, he's muffin made, and they're not from Jaunti yet. Haven't tasted it yet. This is just in the kitchen. Oh, wow. Graham?
Hello, morning. I'm busy putting these cupboard doors on with the piano hinge up here. So it's a bit of a mission because it's got to sit down here and do this job, and it'll open to there.
Oh, that's good.
So yeah, I need to just chamfer these little holes a little bit more and just give it a trim here so that it can go in. It's exactly sized now, it'll jam up.
What closes it? The jamming? Keeps it on...
No, there's going to be a little magnet
okay.
inside. I don't know if I'll put it on top or on the bottom or on the side, but yeah, we'll put a little magnet.
Graham's made his own little handles.
Just need a screwdriver.
So what's the reason for making your own?
Making them much shorter so that they don't stick out so much and dig into the bed.
Okay.
It's just a little hole, but it's not a big problem, but I don't want to do that. Rather just make these little things and it'll work. You just grip it there and pull it out.
Oh, fantastic. It's a little flat one. Flattish.
The bed comes up to here, so I don't want anything interfering with the bed,
Okay.
especially with the duvet and everything. So
what now? Next thing?
little magnets,
Oh, to hold it.
dunk, just to hold it in, which is going to be mounted here. It's not in the way of getting there. We'll put it up there,
Okay.
and that'll screw in there,
Okay.
so it'll stick, dunk,
Perfect.
like that.
Okay, it looks stunning, babes. I like it. That's what it looks like from the side. Yeah. You look lovely.
Sitting on my chair here. I think that'll fit nice.
Yeah, very nice. So you still got to put the piano hinge
Go
in
to
there.
there, yeah. So
Okay.
it'll open like that.
Fantastic.
So I just need to put the piano hinge on here
Okay.
and there.
Bottom of the cupboard going in.
Very difficult when you write. And there goes another hole.
What happened? Did it open?
No, it's just open on its own account.
Finishing touches to the lovely cupboard inside. Graham's just put a bottom piece on. I'm just going to paint it.